Do you feel confident about the zero conditional? I explain everything in this video. Hello, I'm Shona and I run the website Perfect English Grammar. We help millions of students every month improve their grammar and their English. Conditionals are sentences that talk about a thing and its possible result. These sentences say, if this thing is true, then this is the result. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Mix blue and yellow is the action and get green is the result. We can put if at the beginning or we can put it in the middle and it means the same. You get green if you mix blue and yellow. There are different types of conditional. Today, let's talk about the zero conditional. The zero conditional has two present simple verbs. If in the present simple, then the present simple. This conditional is used when the result always happens. So every time you mix blue and yellow, you always get green. The if in this conditional can usually be replaced by when without changing the meaning. And we use the zero conditional just like we use the present simple to talk about general facts and about habits. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. This is a general fact, a general truth. If I wake up in the night, I drink hot milk. This is my habit, which is always true for me. Here are some more examples. If students study regularly, they learn more. Pretty much always, if students study regularly, they will learn. Dogs wag their tails if they're happy. That's their habit. If the weather is wet, I take my umbrella. That's my habit. She takes a taxi home if it's late. She always does this. If you mix hydrogen and oxygen, you get water every time. I get grumpy if I'm hungry. 100% true for me. The zero conditional describes what happens in general. It's different from the first conditional because the first conditional describes a particular situation. Here's an example with the zero conditional. If you don't sleep enough, you feel tired. So this is always true. I'm talking in general about everyone. But if you don't sleep enough tonight, you'll feel really bad tomorrow. So now I'm talking specifically about a specific person and a specific night. Here's another example. The zero conditional says, if babies are tired, they fall asleep. So in general, if babies are tired, then they fall asleep. The first conditional is more specific. If the baby is tired, she'll fall asleep soon. So in this case, I'm talking about a specific baby and a specific day. Really talking about in the next little while. If she's tired, then she will fall asleep. Thank you so much for watching. Do please click the link in the description to practice the zero conditional. And please do subscribe to the channel.